Encountering the calls to this number are not available message when calling an Optus number can be frustrating. This usually indicates that the number is either blocking your calls, has Do Not Disturb enabled, or there's a network issue. Blocked numbers prevent your calls from going through entirely, while DND silences incoming calls. Network issues can occur in certain areas, so check Optus coverage. As of October 2025, a small percentage of users experience this issue monthly, but it's often resolvable. First, consider if the person you're calling might have accidentally blocked your number or activated DND. We'll show you how to check these settings and troubleshoot common causes like provisioning errors and SIM card faults. Start by checking your own phone settings to rule out any accidental call blocking or Do Not Disturb activation on your end. Then, if possible, contact the person you're trying to reach through another means, like a text message, to see if they've blocked your number or enabled Do Not Disturb. If those aren't the issues, have them check their settings on the My Optus app, navigate to Call Settings, and unblock your number if it's listed there. Also, have them ensure Do Not Disturb is disabled in both their phone settings for iOS and Android and any Optus-specific features. For potential network issues, advise them to try restarting their device or resetting their network settings. You can also suggest they contact Optus support at 131-175. For many users, these steps will resolve the issue. Optus is also using AI-driven diagnostics to resolve such problems, so make sure the user has the latest version of the app.